This is Poppa's chicken and noodle soup.
Okay, we're gonna have some fun. You know how I've been playing around with those rotisserie chickens and showing how to feed your family for only $2.50 of protein? Well, now we got the waste. We're gonna make a chicken and noodle soup. I've got chicken, I pulled the skin off of it. There's still meat there. I don't mind that because it adds to the stock. I've got one big Vidalia onion. I have 5 little cloves of garlic. I have 4 celeries and 4 carrots. I might have to be careful. I might have too much stuff here because I want to make still enough broth. We're using the crock pot and it's going to go all day long. A little more of this stuff. Oh, wait a minute. Good luck. I won. If you notice something, I'm not seasoning it. Don't season your broth until it's done. It's going to be really, really fun. Look at this. No seasoning. Garlic, onion, celery, carrot, chicken. Boom. I will see you in about 10 hours, okay? Okay, the soup's coming. I'm almost ready to pull the broth off. But now this is for the soup. It's 3 carrots, 4 stalks of celery, and 1 medium-sized onion, 5 garlic cloves chopped up. I'm going to start sauteing this. While it's sauteing, I'm going to strain the stock for you. Strain the stock. And then we'll finish the soup off, and I'll get dinner. Okay, now we strain it. Be careful. Okay, I'll show you what I got going here in just a little bit. Okay, let's saute these vegetables. A little olive oil, garlic, carrot, onion. Here comes the little Louie. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Look at this Italian pasta in there. That looks like about the right amount. We'll put some chicken in there. And now comes the stock. Yeah, it's pretty bland. So, put it in with the desert coal. And little Louie's. Garlic salt. And black pepper. And this is Poppa's chicken and noodle soup. Really good. I'm very pleased with that. Very pleased.